Have you heard about the recent AI discovery? Scientists have made a groundbreaking breakthrough in the field of artificial intelligence. This discovery has the potential to revolutionize how we interact with technology and how machines process information. The new AI system has demonstrated an unprecedented level of problem-solving and decision-making capabilities, surpassing previous benchmarks and setting a new standard for AI development. One of the most exciting aspects of this discovery is the potential for AI to tackle complex tasks and provide more accurate and efficient solutions. This could have a significant impact on various industries, including healthcare, finance, and transportation. With the new AI system, we are one step closer to developing technology that can assist us in solving some of the greatest challenges facing humanity. The implications of this discovery are vast and far-reaching. We are witnessing a shift in the capabilities of AI that will undoubtedly shape the future of technology. The potential for AI to enhance our lives and improve efficiency is both exciting and promising as we continue to explore the possibilities of this new AI system. We can expect to see remarkable advancements in the ways we interact with and utilize technology. In conclusion, the recent AI discovery marks a significant milestone in the development of artificial intelligence. The potential for this new AI system to revolutionize various industries and improve the efficiency of technology is truly remarkable. As we look towards the future, we can expect to see even more impressive advancements in the field of AI, ultimately transforming the way we live and work.